In this tutorial, I'll show you how to execute trades on TradingView. By the end, you'll place a complete paper trade on TradingView, from choosing the order type and position size to attaching a stop loss and take profit, so you can practice safely and understand each part of the process. First, open the broker or paper trading panel. On the chart, go to the bottom toolbar and click Trading Panel. In the list, select Paper Trading, then click Connect if prompted. You're now using TradingView's built-in simulator, so everything you do here is risk-free and separate from any real account. Next, define your order details. In the Paper Trading panel, click New Order to open the order ticket. At Order Type, choose how you want the trade to enter. Select Market for an immediate fill at the current price. Or you won't set a price with a market order because it executes right away. Select Limit to specify the exact price you want, or better. When you choose Limit, type your desired price in the price field. For a buy limit, set a price at or below the current price. For a sell limit, set a price at or above the current price. Select Stop to trigger the order only if the market reaches your stop price. When you choose Stop, enter the trigger price in the Stop field. A buy stop typically goes above the current price. A sell stop typically goes below it. Choose the option that matches your plan so the order behaves the way you expect. Now set your position size. In the quantity box, type the number of shares, contracts, or units you want to trade. Double-check this value before moving on. First, the quantity controls how large your position is and affects both potential profit and risk. From here, attach risk management. On the order ticket, check the take profit and stop loss boxes. For each one, enter the exact exit level you want. You can type a price directly or, if available, switch the input to a distance or percentage that suits your strategy. Your stop loss is the protective level where the position will close if the trade moves against you. Your take profit is the target level where the position will close to capture gains. As you set these, TradingView will display preview lines on the chart. Adjust the values or drag the lines until the stop and target match your plan. These exits are linked to your entry and will activate only after the entry order fills, so it's safe to set them now. Once that's done, execute the trade. Click Buy if you want to go long, or click Sell if you want to go short. Confirm your choice. If you used a market order, the position opens immediately. You'll see it in the Positions section of the Paper Trading panel, and the chart will show your entry, stop loss, and take profit lines. If you used a limit or stop order, the order appears in the Orders section and waits for price to reach your level. Once it fills, your attached stop loss and take profit will be placed automatically. If you need to verify details, glance at the order ticket summary before you click Buy or Sell. Confirm the symbol, order type, price fields and quantity are correct, and make sure both take profit and stop loss are enabled with the right levels. This quick check helps prevent common mistakes like using the wrong side or typing an extra zero in quantity. At this point, you've executed a trade on TradingView using paper trading, with the order type, position size, stop loss, and take profit all set correctly. The setup is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.